Greetings, Furman family. Today we begin week 2 of remote learning and working. While we continue to plan and yet be flexible during this pandemic, I want to assure you that we are carrying on normal operations, if in a somewhat abnormal way. I continue to be grateful for and proud of the ingenuity of our students, faculty, and staff. In the coming days and weeks, we'll share stories about the various ways we've adapted our delivery of the Furman Advantage. Because it's not just about classes. Faculty continue to advise and mentor students, write letters of recommendation, and engage in their own scholarly activity. Our internship office, undergraduate research, and the Malone Center for Career Engagement are finding creative ways to provide students experiences, resources, and support. And our coaches have shared some amusing social media of their attempts to keep our student athletes engaged. While we all try to figure out how to adapt our own lives during this crisis, I've been heartened by the show of concern and care from the Furman family. Students asking what they can do to ensure that our faculty and staff are taken care of. Alumni offering to help the university or to help students who live in their hometowns. And that's what Furman does. We don't just espouse community, we enact community. I won't pretend that everything is fine, because everything is not fine. Anxiety about the future can be overwhelming. I know many of you have loved ones or colleagues who have succumbed to coronavirus. Please know that you are in my thoughts and prayers. We have challenges ahead, and I will communicate those to you as we know them. But we carry on because we truly believe in the transformative power of a Furman education. So thank you. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you and the way you support and represent Furman University. Stay safe and be well.